In year 1962, the Grand Prix Racing introduced a new class for GP racing motorcycles with up to 50cc engines. Honda competing in this event, unveiling the Honda RC110, featuring a small monster. This bike featured a 49cc single-cylinder engine, a 9-speed gearbox and weighed up to 50 kg and could rev up to 17,500 revolutions per minute, achieving a top speed of 145 km per hour. In May 1962, during the GP50 race event, Honda unexpectedly launched a racing replica of the RC110, known as the Honda CR110 Cub Racing, alongside the premiere of RC110. In the current era, CR110 Cub Racing might be said, similar to the NSF 250R, aka the mass production version of NSF 250RW, which is used in Moto3 racing championships. The use of the name Cub itself is due to the engine used by this motorbike being a 50cc, where this engine capacity was identical to the Honda Cub product line, which at that time mostly uses 50cc engine capacity. In accordance with the original version, the CR110 uses a 48.9cc engine with a bore of 40mm and a stroke of 39mm, DOHC, 4 valves, air-cooled, supplied by a 25mm K-Hen carburetor. It doesn't stop here. The technology embedded in this motorbike is really similar to a GP racing motorbike, namely using a gear-driven camshaft, dry clutch accompanied by an 8-speed transmission ratio. The CR110 engine with advanced technologies is set to deliver 9.5 horsepower at 14,000 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 4.6 Nm at 11,500 revolutions per minute, reaching up to 15,000 revolutions per minute in engine speed. Besides engine specs close to the original, its chassis mirrors the RC110, ensuring a total light weight of 69 kg. This allows to achieve speeds up to 130 km per hour. At that time, Honda officially provided special racing spare parts for CR110 known as Y parts, including racing support components such as special clip-on handlebars, foot pegs, race model tanks, and so on. Because sales of Y parts were selling well, not long after Honda made CR110 Cub Racing with fully optional Y parts which were ready to be used for racing. Apart from the racing version, Honda also produced a road version of the CR110. This version appears in a Scambler style and is equipped with headlight components, stop lamps, along with tubular handlebars. However, the engine sector has been slightly downgraded using a smaller 20mm PW carburetor, so that the power output has dropped to 7 horsepower at 12,500 revolutions per minute and torque of 3.9 Nm at 11,000 revolutions per minute. The complex engine construction and its durability at high RPMs makes this motorbike engine known as an ultra-precision engine, or often referred to as Mickey Mouse engine, because the side cover of the cylinder head is shaped like Mickey Mouse's head. The performance of CR110 Cub Racing has been proven in prestigious racing events, such as the Isle of Man TT 50cc class, where racer John Lawley, who at that time used CR110 Cub Racing, managed to finish in 7th place in year 1968. The exact production quantity of Honda CR110 remains uncertain. A Japanese car motorbike magazine reported only 246 units of CR110 were made, with 22 shipped to Europe in 1963. There are many requests from fans who want this motorbike to be produced again. On February 28, 1997, Honda Japan revived the exotic motorbike successor to the CR110, which was named the Honda Dream 50. In Japan, this motorbike is popularly called the Tokonoma bike because most buyers only put this motorbike in the room to use as a decoration or display. Even though at first glance the appearance looks almost similar, the components detail of the Honda Dream 50 are much different from the CR110. This list encompasses an alternative frame construction design, an extended stroke size, the absence of a gear-driven camshaft, no dry clutch present, nearly a 5-speed transmission. The weight is significantly heavier, 81 kg. Power output is noticeably less compared to the Honda CR110. Conversely, the Honda Dream 50 inherits several contemporary features, including both front and rear disc brakes. The cylinder head is designed with a twin-port model which results in dual exits unique sound. Then there are additional headlamps, stop lamps, mirrors, speedometer and turn signals, which makes it friendlier to drive on highway. Unfortunately, production of this motorbike only lasted for 2 years before sales were stopped. However, once again the demand for this motorbike was quite high. In the year 2004, Honda again presented the successor of Honda Dream, which was named the Honda Dream 50R. This version came with full racing specs. Then some of the racing parts were made by HRC. Then the lights and the road equipment were removed. Spark port is replaced with aluminium and transmission is changed to a 6-speed. The weight of this bike dropped notably from 81 kg to 71 kg. While its engine power rose to 6.9 bhp at 13,500 revolutions per minute and torque reached to 4.41 nanometers at 10,500 revolutions per minute. The Honda Dream 50 was only limited to 440 units, sold by Honda at a very high price of 38,000 yen, thanks to all its uniqueness. Currently all the exotic 50cc motorbike made by Honda, the CR110 Cub Racing, Honda Dream 50, Dream 50R, are now sought after by collectors. Not to mention, the very limited numbers of production units causing used price to soar high in the market. Okay, maybe this will be enough for today's video. Thanks for watching.